How to text your location on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Messages application on your phone. You are now in the Messages page where you can view all your messages. Go to the top right corner and tap on the new message icon. Now, type in the name of the people you want to send the message to from here. As you can see, you have now opened their chat. Over here, go to the bottom left corner and tap on the plus icon. From the options, scroll down and tap on Location. Choose your location from the map and tap on Share below. Then, choose the duration. For example, for 1 hour. After that, tap on the arrow button to send the location. Following these steps, you can easily text your location on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.